Bandra, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you the new website. The website name is thetaxbit.com. This website is very good website. This is wrong. This is not a very good website. This is the very bad website. This website is give you more money, but I think don't give money. That's why if you join any website, first time you check the website content. This website content you like, after you can join. You cannot like, you don't join this website. That's why it's a very problem. This website you say just in my website. Okay, log in first. After I'll click the problem this website. Okay. Here you see this website. Use this link below to generate traffic and earn $5 to $10 for every unique visitor that clicks your link and visit it. Good place to start posting your link or social website like Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, forum, chat room, blog, etc. Actually not nothing to you. This website is very awesome. You joining after you can get $25. I don't know how you pay you. This is the only for sharing and you get more money. This is a very bluffing website. That's why I tell you need to join here. If you join here, you can cheat. You follow the cheating and you also follow the other man. Okay, that's why friends, you just thinking about this last to first. You check first. After you think better, you can join. You don't better, you don't need to join here. If you join here, you lose your time. This is the very problem. Okay, that's why first time you check. Here you see here how to promote this link. Okay, everything here, but I don't know how to pay this man. Okay, there is a better country. Yeah, but how can I join him? How can I contact them? Any contact? No contact number. Huh? How can I build this up? Okay, dear friend, okay, you think first after you can join. You don't think better, you don't need to join here. Dear friend, I am warning you not to join here because more money only sharing and very problem. That's why very problem. Okay, dear friend, if you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Okay. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel here. Okay.
Hello, dear friend.
Subscribe my channel. If you like more, you can.
Welcome to our channel. Netplus.
You can.
Please subscribe my channel. If you like, please like and comments. Today I will show you.
Okay, dear friend. Thank you. Bye bye.